In the realm of artistic expression, metal welding has emerged as a captivating medium that melds strength and the elegance, utility and the creativity as a spark dance and the molten metal causeless. The ancient craft of welding intertwines with the boundless imagination of art, breathing life into extraordinary sculptures, architectural marvels, and awe-inspiring art project. Journey with us as we delve into a captivating history of metal welding, uncovering the profound impact it has had to the world of art. The origin of welding date back to the Bronze Age, where early civilizations recognized the transformative power of joining metal. Ancient craftsmen utilized techniques such as fork welding, soldering, and brazing to fuse bronze, coppers, and the irons. These early experiments set the stage for the metamorphosis of welding metal, paving the way for future innovations and the artistic inspirations and the expressions. While welding initially found in place industrial application, it was the visionary artists of the late 19th and the 20th century who recognized this untapped potential in a realm of artistic creation. Pioneers such as Pablo Picasso, Julio Ganasel, and Alexander Calder pushed the boundaries of traditional art by incorporating metal welding sculpture into their repertoires. These audacious visualization the art world, propelling welding for the factory floor into the Hollywood galleries and the museum and the exhibitions. With the advent of new technologies, metal welding underwent a significant evolution, resulting in the emergence of modern welding techniques. The introduction of electric arc welding in the late 19th century provided a
benefits of welding project scrap. Welding project using scrap material have several benefits including cost saving. Welding project using scrap material can be a cost-effective way to complete a project. Scrap metal are often less expensive than a new material and use them and it can help to reduce overall project cost. Welding projects using scrap metal can be environmental friendly, sustainable because they reduce the amount of waste and end up in the landfill. By repurposing scrap metal art, you can reduce your environmental impact and promote the sustainability. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to exercise creativity and the innovation. By using material that are not typically used in welding project, you can create a unique and interesting design. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to develop your welding skill working with a variety of materials and shapes and can be challenging our welding abilities and help up with your development skills. Welding project using scrap can be opportunities to create a customer project that fit your specific needs. By using scrap metal, you can create one of kind project that are tailored to your requirements. Overall, welding project using scrap metal can be effective and the cost effective, environmentally effective, sustainable, and it will reduce your carbon footprints and it will also help you to utilize your scrap in a better way. Here is it.